Real roads, real mistakes, real lessons. Welcome to Road Rebels Dashcam. Here, defensive driving isn't a choice, it's surviving. Buckle up, stay alert, and let's roll.
Oh, no! Will.
Man, unde te duci? Mă, vede, că era poliția. Let's go, boy.
Fucking ass.
Did I hit you?
No, nothing.
Alright, just go.
I'm so sorry.
Protect them. Yeah. The two haven't been there. Ah! Oh my God! What's the matter? Someone just pulled out right in front of me. Hit me. Oh fucking no!
Hey, you can't park there! I don't think you can park there, you fucking retard!
Oh my gosh. Oh my God.
You got that? You got that?
Oh my gosh, he's crashing into everything.
What tow truck?
Oh no!
Maybe get out, Carter. Thanks, Bob. Boat's going down. Did someone call a tow?
The Israelis and the leadership of our country today. I haven't been involved in that because I've been busy doing stuff in Hungary.
Video protected.
Let me say a couple things. There's a lot of bad faith negotiations.
job in my books. Even if one of those cutouts just ends up being a better microphone, I think it's a good thing all around, especially as we've seen phones balloon in size, but we've lost out on the audio quality as there are no front-facing speakers. Naturally, there's no front-facing speakers, but better audio is always good in my book. So on the renders, you can also see what looks like cutouts mimicking, or at least symmetry.
Approved. Was it a dead end back here? Go, go,
Oh
go,
my
go.
god. He's failing right now.
No, he's not. Come back to main, come back to main.
Supervised by the Israeli government. Of course, does it have a right to exist? And so my question to you would be,
Oh my god.
what does that mean?
Holy shit!
I think Tucker's stalling for time here. No, I'm...
Направление поиска. Исходя из психологического портрета Куликова и Железогло, их стали искать на выезде из города. Они попытаются сделать так называемый рывок за пределы Москвы. Без отечества же, скорее всего, будет бомжевать, вести асоциальный образ жизни.
Fucking psycho, bro. Jesus Christ.
Crazy or just something that's...
I mean, that is pushing it, bro.
Yeah. Still going. Oh no! Jesus Christ, brother.
Well, he brake checked the truck.
Really?
Yeah. That's why that's why he went like that.
Oh, dude. Holy shit!
Oh my god.
Follow them and watch it. Those guys are killing over here. They're perfect. Oh. Yeah, dude, those guys are all fucking shit.
God, you saw me on stage yesterday. I could be one of those fucking.
Where it is fine. I think we can go in this lane because we don't have to go to the house. Whoa! Where did they? What were they doing? Hey, we're okay. We're.
Dumbass. Jesus. Holy
At the stop sign, turn right onto 5th Street.
Oh, we ain't going up here.